ask
Hang
for
on.
help, right?
Yep.
Mom, do you
Hi, guys.
know what a remote is?
Step back.
I am going to open this box, and you always have to help parents for scissors. And I'm going to open this big box that my mom got me, and
Hold on.
I'm going to go. But I know what to do, so I'm just going to help me. And I can open it with more scissors. Can you help me? I'm going to need more help with the scissors. And the other side. Hold on, guys. There. Now I can get this whole big box out with something in it. I think I know what it is, but I don't. Maybe it's just a little bunny. But if it's not, I know what to do. Just take it out, see which kind it is. First, I have to
Back up, baby.
rip it out. Get away. But I'm making a video and somebody's ignoring it, being like me. Oh, you have to open this side too. Cut open this side after.
Okay.
I need help. Oh. Mommy, I got the cutting.
Hang on. Hold the scissors.
You can cut some of them, and then I'll try.
Back up.
Okay. One more layer. Whoa, some glasses.
I think those are for you looking
Go,
at the clues.
Go! Accessories, Daddy.
See, I think those are the sunglasses for whatever the animal is.
Yeah, and the collar. I think it's going to be. Oh, something together with it. It's a little baggie with something with it. Can you open this? Oh no, you don't have to grab it. Oh no, you don't have to.
Oh, you need to wear these to find out the clues.
Yeah, I know. I will.
Are those like 3D glasses?
No.
For these?
They're magnifying glasses. Mommy, it's one. I know which one it's gonna be. It's little. It's one of the Bun pets. It's that little bunny that I can see right now. Mommy, do you want to see which one it is? It's this little bunny. Right there.
You have to turn around and show the camera, honey.
Oh, sorry guys. Here. This little bunny is mine.
I'm giving him. She
And
thinks it is bacon.
I got some
That's
glasses
fine.
to
He
see
bought
the
four.
clues. Do you want to look at them?
Yeah, I want some.
Oh, it's starting to stick. Here we are. Oh, and I started opening the glasses. Okay, let me just open the glasses to find out the clues. I really need to just open it my super strength. Oh, sorry. Oh, I need help. So I got a picture of what me to do. I got 3 persons to help me. Oh.
Put those on, Lou.
Do you love my video, Gabby? Didn't I play with it?
Put those on. Put them on. Because you have to see all the clues. Don't put them on upside down.
It's kind of hard, I guess. Why did you want me to have this? For a surprise? Oh, hold on, guys. Let me just open this with some help. Again. Oh, there. Now I can find out some clues. On your
Here's your clues.
clues.
Here, can I see?
She has to look at her clues and read them. Do you need help?
I don't know how to.
Here, let me see them.
Okay, you have to put them on. This is a mystery one.
Watch. It says bunny plus whatever that glob equals.
Here in front of the camera.
I don't know what that means.
How did you love it? Was it great? Don't you see how I have it? See? Everything was pink. Don't you see?
Okay.
There.
What one did you get?
I don't know. Wait,
Look.
I have this one.
Where'd you get it? Something?
Oh, sorry.
Do you need help?
Oh yeah, I need some scissors, Mom.
Here.
I got it, Gabby. I got it. I'll use the scissors instead.
Look, you don't need the scissors.
Oh.
Let me see.
Okay, I got it, Gabby. Are you trying to help?
You have to. No, you. I think it's a piggy bank.
This, yeah, it is. And this is the little leash to attach it with, too. You have to put it in here. I'm nothing. Oh, yeah. Hey, Gabby. Here's its little stuff.
Hold on, there's something inside.
Oh, yeah, there's something inside. There's some stuff inside. Oh, some blind bags. I know how to open these.
Hold on,
now.
does it have clues on them?
Yeah,
No.
they have clues on them. I can't read that. It's a clue.
I don't think there's any clues. Let the camera see?
Oh, do you know what it
It's-
says,
Let me see.
guys? Oh, this one's
What's
very
inside?
big.
It just says what's inside.
Okay.
Open them.
All
and
of
then
them say what's inside.
Open them and then put them in here.
I just opened one. Oh, I see that. Okay, this system. It's a collar.
So what?
A collar. A collar.
Collar?
Oh,
I
guys.
put the other one in there.
Okay. I'm sorry, guys. This is kind of. What is this?
Let's put your trash in this
Oh
one.
my.
I think that one's the collar and this one's like a bracelet.
Down's a. No, that's a bracelet, and this is a collar. I think this is the collar. More blind bags. It's a scooper.
And here. Trash goes in
Pretty
there.
sure that's the collar.
This is the collar. that
This
we
is
have.
the big. That's the big collar. This is the little collar right here. You can use it, I think. I think it's a little collar. I think it's actually. Oh yeah, I forgot this is what's going to be there. Oh, all this stuff has to go. Go. This.
Right, yeah.
Here's the clue map.
Oh, you have to dig the other one out with this.
Dig what out?
I don't know.
Seems awesome.
The other one's the last one, I'm guessing.
Yeah. And this is
Hey, some more.
here.
I got a lot. What is this? What is this? I think it's going to be glasses. Okay, guys. I think this is going to be glasses. Oh, it's glasses. They're so cute.
And
Oh,
this is the piggy bank.
yep, it is. Does it have anything in it still?
I think it's also
Okay, that one's open.
Yeah, for her to carry around.
Here's this. It's a little heart thing. I can't split it in half. Oh, look at this. I think you have to do this. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Isn't it?
Does that go on like a necklace or something?
This
Maybe
does.
the trash bag.
Which one did I open? Yeah, this one. Okay, let's just put it in this.
Don't worry, I'm not doing anything. I'm just getting them ready.
Cut the tape off. It's the bone. Yes, I found the bone to the necklace. Oh, I think it's something. It has a little map. Let me put it back in
You want
there.
me to? Here.
Yeah. Then put it back in, okay? Since this keeps it safe. Okay.
Plus girl.
And then roll it back up. I need it.
I don't get it.
Just roll it back
It's,
up.
hold on. It says, "What's a bunny's favorite dance?"
I have to guess.
Oh my goodness.
A keychain piece. It's two. This
Sock hop.
and this.
Yeah.
And
Hey,
The little
where's the little
pizza.
thing go?
this. The bone thing. I'll put it back in.
Well, I don't know if it's small enough.
It is small enough. It was in there. Thanks. Oh, it's a little bit fat.
Want me to put it in there?
No.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put it back in here. Now I'm going to put it right back on there. Now it's not going to get lost. This little thing is to this. Let me just put it in here.
We need like a little Tupperware.
Let me
I
put the
can
little
extend
thing
in
here real quick. And
here.
I got this one open.
Mom,
This one's so
see, Mom.
cold. This
Yeah,
one's
no, you're not digging it out.
That's what you need this for.
Yeah, I
To
know.
get whatever's in there out.
I'll do it, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
not yet. Are all the things open?
No, I'm gonna do them right now. And this one. Ooh, some more glasses. There's another thing in it. Nope, nothing goes in it. Oh, this is so. Oh, I bet this is gonna be another scooper.
Another scooper? Why another scooper?
Yep.
Or a rake?
Nope, another scooper.
What? Oh.
A hamster and a bunny?
Mm-mm.
Nope. No way. There can't be a little one here. Is that all? Keep it. I have
Okay.
a little thing.
Okay, what one do you want to open first?
What one?
Okay, so pink, gold, or the box?
The box.
Okay, let me go get a Tupperware real fast. Don't open them yet.
Okay. There's some
Not yet.
Oh, I can't believe I got 2 scoopers and some 2 stuff. Oh, I'm gonna be excited. I'll scream really loud. Can you see my face? Oh yeah, I can.
Use your scoopers to get the box.
This sand. The sands. You have to pick what you want. I want this one.
Okay. Scoop it into here.
Okay, guys, I'm scooping some sand. It's kind of hard to get out, but that's okay. Oh, I see something pink. If these are shoes, I'll
You
scream.
need help.
Just try to get it. Oh, it's okay.
Here, look.
What is that?
Get into the sides right there.
What is that? Maybe it's just a bottle or something. What is that? That looks like something little.
Here, you want to do the rest?
It looks like a little snowman. What is that? Smart that.
Hi, Bubba's.
Oh, it just made something.
Look, if you like make it warm. It'll come out quicker.
Oh, thanks. I got it.
Okay, I'm loosening it up. There, it's loose. Use your hands.
Grab it. Oh, yay. This is going to be hard to get out. Okay.
Okay, grab it upside down.
What is that? Oh, it's a little patty. Oh, it has a pink in it. It's so cute,
Okay,
guys.
you have another one. You have 2 more, so hurry.
I want to choose
Oh, there's.
this one.
There's
Okay, grab a scoop.
There's 3 animals.
I never got this one, so. And this one. Oh, this one's
Hold on,
soft. This one's nice. I got little animals. Where's the animal? Should I just take it?
Yes, I have it, so it didn't get in the.
See it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, put it in here.
Hold on.
I can't believe I'm getting pets. This one's a little kitty stuff.
Here, look. Look.
Now loosen it, please. What? Oh, that's so good to see. Oh, it's a little hamster. That's why I got little 2 ones. It gets a carrot.
Hold on, you have 1 more.
You can mix up the sand.
Yeah, here's another green one.
Can I do that one?
I'm mixing up the
Just-
sand.
There's something in there.
No. What? It's a little bunny thing. She's so. Oh, let me just put her head back on. There! It just snaps back on. That's so easy, right? Right, Mom? This
Oh, shoot.
one
Here's a collar.
and this bone
Hey,
opens. What?
this goes on like a little keychain or something.
It goes to any kinds of these. I knew it. I know I got some of these.
That goes on the.
On the
On the
big
ball.
animal, right?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I need the scissors, somebody.
Let me just look.
I got it.
I don't know where the scissors are. Just let me see it.
Somebody. Oh,
I think. Hold on. Hold on. I think that's actually for you. I don't know.
it's my little collar. That's silly, right?
I don't know.
It is my collar.
I think it's a bracelet.
No, it wears onto my neck.
I think it's actually big enough for a choker. Hold on. You have.
Magnetic sand.
You also have this. I think this is actually her collar.
My
I
collar?
No, your kitty's collar.
You mean bunny bun?
And I think this goes on it right there.
Bunny, 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 good. Oh, that doesn't. It's another. I just lost something too. A little pink thing. Another color. I still know that.
Oh, it's for that. Mom, there's little things on there.
Is it a handle? Or is the blue one a handle?
No, that's the collar.
Look at that. Is that cutified? Is that cutified?
Yep.
It's the color.
Okay.
See it?
Grab all the little accessories.
Beautiful.
Here's that. Oh, where's the little glasses for this little guy? Oh,
When
I think it goes
We
together.
first did this, Mom. We thought the kinetic sand was a bath bomb, and we almost put it in water.
Can't that ruin kinetic sand?
It also ruined your drain.
Oddly satisfying.
Here's the glasses door. Is she so cute,
Okay, I'm
guys?
gonna do the satisfying
She's
things.
so
I'm
cute.
gonna make it in bald and cut
Yeah.
it.
And
Oddly
I don't know where
satisfying
this one
video.
is.
Did you know
I'm a
they actually
DJ.
have a certain
I'm a
thing
DJ
that you can post that
hamster.
stuff on?
This hamster is a DJ.
Like I want to do like,
Okay, Lily, does that conclude your video?
Yeah.
is that the end?
Okay, say bye.
No. It's
Say that's what I got.
that's what it got. Bye.